Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channels Nath Online Classes. Today I Vidyasagar is present in front of class 8 to discuss subject science. The chapter name is synthetic fiber and plastics. So please like the channels, share and subscribe it. Now let us start the video. In this video today I am going to discuss about various kinds of fibers that can be used in our daily life. So in the previous class I have dealt with some important fibers and plastics, that is synthetic, but today I am going to discuss about the fibers that is obtained from nature. It is provided us by the nature, so it is called as also natural fibers. Now let us discuss its types, its properties and uses. Mainly its uses depends upon its properties. So we divided the natural fibers into two categories. One is animal fibers and second is plants fiber. Now animal fibers are just like wool, silk and cottons, as you know. So I am going to discuss these fibers one by one in detail. Please concentrate to understand the things clearly. Now first of all look at wool. Wool are very important fiber, mainly in winter seasons for us. It is obtained from the hair of some animals like cashmere goats, camel, llama and angora goats. Pashmina goats is also used to getting wool. It is very warm and soft. It is soft and due to Pashmina goats or other goats have very silky hairs by which we can obtain wool becomes very silky and it is soft and it gives more warmth to us. So these are very useful for us. Now another types of fiber I am going to discuss, that is silk. Silk is obtained from different types of silkworm. It is made by the larva of silkworm and larva is used to make phupial case. It is used in cloths materials. There are three types of silk: tussore, munga and iri or indi silks. These are the types of silks. Now another types of fibers is casein fiber. Casein fiber is obtained from the milk proteins. It is used for the substitute of wool because of its no felting properties. So these are the fibers obtained from animals and very useful for us in our daily life to give us more comfort. Now I am going to discuss about the fiber obtained from the plants. These are the fibers that is also very useful for us. First, soybean fibers. It is a protein fibers and it is at first manufactured by Ford Motor Corporation's company and it is used for making mainly blanket and carpet etc. Now peanut fibers. Peanut fibers is also very useful for us. It is used for mixing with cotton, wool and rayon. It shows the good quality of blending property, and it is moth proof and mildew proof. So it is very important fiber for us. Now corn fiber, it is obtained from gene corn. It is first made by Virginia Carolina company. Vicara Proteins is its trademark. Virginia Carolina company used its trademark for corn fiber is Vicara Proteins, and it does not support combustions. The main properties of this fiber is it cannot support what? Combustions. And another types of fiber, cotton fiber. Cotton fiber is obtained from the seeds of cotton, and it is used alone or get mixed with some materials as rayon, wool and another clothing materials, and it is used mainly for making summer wear. So these are the cotton fibers. Now jute fibers, it is obtained from the stem of jute plants. Twine, it is used to make twin ropes and carpets. Now hemp fiber is stronger than linen, and it is used for making carpet, and it is originate in Philippines. So its native country is Philippines. You have to remember it. Now one another types of fiber, that is called sun fiber. Sun fiber or san fiber. It is its origin in South Asia, mainly in India, and it is of two types, Bhadoi and Ravi san, and it is used to make fishnet and twins. Now coir is obtained from the shell of coconuts, and its origin mainly in India, Kerala and Sri Lanka, and it is used to make doormat, carpet, etc. Now Remi fibers is originate from China, and it is used to make tablecloths, tray cloths, etc. Abaca manila is also an important fibers. It is originate from Philippines also, and it is perennial and light and lustrous, and it is used to make heavy cordage and ropes. Now sisal is originate from South Africa, West Indies and Mexico. Now these are the fibers you should remember clearly. And now look at some health and environment hazards created by some synthetic materials. So first of all, we have to look about how it can be harmful. It can be harmful in two ways, making water pollutions and soil pollutions, because the fibers we use daily are of two types. One is biodegradable and another is non-biodegradable. Biodegradable fibers are those that can be damped easily and it can be decomposed easily, and non-biodegradable are those fibers that cannot be damped or decomposed easily. It is decomposes by action of bacteria, and it cannot be decomposed easily. So it is cause for soil pollutions. That's why we are also suffered from many diseases, and we should avoid the use of plastics, carry bags and wrapping or materials with it. So these are the things we should keep it in mind, that as a responsible citizen of India, one must follow the 4R rules regarding the use of plastics: reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. We must develop the habits which are environment friendly. So please, you also follow these rules and be happy in your life. Up to here, these are the things I have discussed. Now in next video I will come again with the solution of some important questions given in understanding the text. Till that, I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.